Why did this door handle all of a sudden stop working? And look at this thumb push. This is an old school lock here. Let's investigate. So here we go. The complaint is when the customer shuts the door, this locks on them right here. It locks. So this is the lock that controls this. If we turn the key, this no longer pushes. But when the customer shuts the door, it's locking him out. So let's open this up and let's see what we can find out. Okay, first things first, let's just get in there and start disassembling. Unscrew here and unscrew here. We have no idea what's going to come out of this, but you can see it's spring loaded, right? So slowly remove everything. And here is the fun part. So this is all geared in here, and there is a spring right there, and this is the thumb push right here. So we need to grab this out of here without everything exploding on us. And when I say exploding, I mean springing everywhere. Little by little, take pictures along the way. There we go, we got the whole thing out. So first things first, we're going to clean this up. Little spray. Let's put this guy back together. Like so. All right, we put this cradle back on here. Let's get the spring back in here. Like so. And let's put the spindle back on like so. That can only go on one way. Make sure to spray this up, lube this up here. Keep everything moist if you would. Okay, we got the sleeve on it. Let's put the spring back on it. And let's put the whole housing back on. And let's see what we got. And right now it rotates when we lock the spindle. It now locks the thumb push. Unlock. And let's go ahead and put the screws back in. Screw number 1 and screw number 2. So I think overall is what happened is this just got really dirty inside. We did not see any broken pieces or parts. It works fine. It locks and unlocks. Although it was heavy originally when we got it, we put a little Venus slide in there, move things around, open it up, wipe things down, and it seems to work a lot better. Make sure you subscribe, follow me. Give me comments. What do you think of this? Have you ever seen one of these old antique locks right here? Pretty cool stuff.